Eating flowers as food has been trending nowadays. In China, one remarkable woman turned a simple idea into a thriving business. By dipping rose petals in batter and frying them, she stumbled upon an unexpected opportunity that led her to amass 60 million yen. Her passion for roses drove her to replace her 1,000-acre cornfield with dark red roses, symbolizing her commitment to this venture. Rather than selling the roses directly, she sent the fresh blooms to a local factory for processing. Here, workers meticulously selected and trimmed the roses. I'm separating the petals to create flower cakes. The whole unblemished roses were then placed in a state-of-the-art freeze dryer, finding which preserved their vibrant color, shape, and delicate nutrients. This advanced technology ensured that when infused in water, the petals released their nutrients, creating a stunning pink tea with a light floral fragrance and a sweet taste. Perfect for refreshing late-night work sessions. But the story doesn't end there. This innovative entrepreneur also introduced one of the most expensive desserts at Michelin star restaurants, costing $399 per serving, made from rare roses sourced from the Himalayas. The dessert begins with harvesting fragrant petals, which are cleaned and mixed with sugar and honey syrup, and then combined with flour, water. The mixture is allowed to marinate, and then combined with flour, water, and clarified butter to create delicate dough. Each piece is filled with the aromatic rose syrup, pressed flat and baked to perfection, resulting in a crisp, flaky crust filled with a rich yet subtle floral flavor. Additionally, another popular yet surprisingly affordable dessert captures attention in the culinary world. Diners can enjoy a visually stunning treat made from strawberries. After harvesting and cleaning, the strawberries are carefully sliced to mimic rose petals. They are then dipped into a homemade syrup of sugar and malt syrup, which gives them a crystal clear appearance and enhances. These stories illustrate the power of creativity and passion in transforming simple ingredients into extraordinary culinary experiences. Would you like to taste the magic of these rose-infused delights?